Welcome. This video tutorial will show you how to calculate an average in Excel, thanks to which you will be able to work out an average value of the group of number of any size. This function is very handy, so let's find out together how to use it. Here we are to make sure you will be able to use Excel in a quick and easy way using this practical function called average. Imagine you need to find out how many sales per quarter but also per employee were made on average throughout the last year. As you already know, we must start with clicking on the cell where we want the result to appear. In this case, we will use the cell G3. Here we will get the average value of the number of sales John made for all 4 quarters. Type in the equal sign and start typing the word average. Excel will immediately offer various similar functions that starts in the same letters. If you want to calculate the standard average values, double click on average. Now you need to specify the group of numbers from which you want to calculate the average. So we will click on the cell C3, then hold and drag until we reach the location F3. This way Excel receives the information that these are the numbers that need to be included for the calculation of the average. Of course, instead of clicking and dragging, you can simply type the range of selected cells into the bracket within the average function directly. Include the reference to the starting point of the range at cell location, then insert a colon, and right after that type the reference to the last cell we need to include in the calculation. Once done, press enter and have a look. The function helps us calculate the average number of sales John made per quarter. Actually, we would come up with the same result if we sum up the figures of John's sales for all quarters and then divide the total with the quarter count, which is 4. However, the function average makes the calculation a lot quicker and easier, but you need to be aware of one thing. If you change the data in the selected range of cells, the average function recalculates the result automatically. For example, if you override the Q1 value 321 with the 217, the average will change, which will reflect in the target cell. So the result will always be up to date. So we are not quite at the end yet. How to calculate the average number of sales for other people? If you need to calculate the average sales of quarter per quarter for other people in the table, it's an absolute doodle. Click on the cell containing the formula. Place the pointer to the right bottom corner to see a single plus sign. Click and hold the left mouse button and drag through all the cells where you need to the formula to calculate the averages. Easy, right? The average values per quarter have now been calculated for all other employees too. You can use the same way to calculate the average per employee for each quarter in individual columns. The formula works with any group of cells you need. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and watch other video tutorials. Learn how to use Excel in a quick and easy way. Is this your first time? We'll be more than happy to welcome you in our online community. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.